Good morning, students. Hope you are all fine. Nowadays, we are all concerned about one thing. I think you all know what I am talking about. Yes, it is about fast spreading of COVID 19. Students, do you know what is COVID 19? Coronavirus disease 2019 is commonly called as COVID 19. It was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. It is an infectious disease that primarily attacks our respiratory system. Students, first we'll see about coronavirus. Coronaviruses are large family of viruses that causes common cold to more severe disease such as Middle East respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. Here, novel coronavirus is a new strain that has not been previously identified in humans. This virus can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through droplets by coughing, sneezing, handshakes, and personal contacts. The onset of the virus from an infected person to a healthy person is from 2 to 14 days. Now we'll see symptoms of COVID 19. The symptoms are fever, cough, sore throat, muscle pain, chills, shortness of breathing, or difficulty in breathing. New loss of taste or smell. Now they are added running nose, diarrhea, nausea, or symptoms of COVID 19. If we have any above symptoms, we need to visit doctor immediately and isolate ourselves from others. Students, isolate means what? Yes, isolate means far away from everyone or everything else. Students, do you know how to protect yourself from coronavirus? First thing, wash your hands with soap and water or alcohol based hand rub for at least 20 seconds. Wash your hands after coughing or sneezing when caring for the sick, before, during, and after you prepare food, before eating, after toilet use, when hands are visibly dirty, after handling animals or animal waste. Next, cover your mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing with tissue or flexed elbow. Throw tissue into closed bin immediately after use. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people. Maintain 2 meters distance. Wear mask and don't reuse the mask over and over again. Face masks help limit the spread of germs when someone talk, cough or sneeze. Disposable face mask should be used once and then throw it in the dustbin. You should also remove and replace mask when they become moist. After use, wash your mask in hot water and dry thoroughly. Don't touch or adjust the mask once it is on your face. Don't wear it longer than 4 hours. So students, we must follow these steps to stay away from virus. Next, we'll see food items to boost your immunity. Food that helps to improve immunity are vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B6, zinc and iron. Carrot, mango, sweet potato, capsicum, these are rich in vitamin A. Vitamin C presents in orange, lemon and citrus fruits. Next, vitamin E presents in nuts, seed, green leafy vegetables. Iron rich food items are chicken, liver, dates and spinach. Zinc presents in milk, beans, seeds, nuts, meat, and seafood. By eating proper food, we can fight against coronavirus. We must avoid unwanted travel and meeting people. Stay 2 meters distance away from a sick person. The vaccine or medicine for this disease is not identified. World scientists and doctors are involved in making vaccine for this disease. So students eat food which are provide immunity to our body. Students, we have to stay home to stay safe. The emergency helpline number for COVID-19 is 1075. Dear students, do breathing exercise and yoga regularly. We must follow our government rules to get a COVID-19 free India. Now we are going to do an activity on how to prevent yourself from COVID-19. For this activity, you need a chart paper, a pencil, color pencils, and an eraser. Let's see a picture based on this topic. Get ideas from this picture and make a poster with your own ideas. Write some catchy slogans, draw attractive and colorful pictures, spreading awareness. Thank you, students.